Are you qualified to?
Thinks he's a detailer.
Have you
There's gonna be so many people triggered over what we're about to do.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to the channel tonight. It is about 9 o'clock at night. We're shooting the second video of the day, getting more content out to you guys. Since this thing's completely done, we're gonna start doing a lot more cool stuff. Since the guys over at Car Clean Systems were so nice to send me a care package, I'm gonna be using their AC car wash, and we're gonna be using the white wall cleaner today, which is gonna help us get the grease and grime and all kind of crap off the tires and the wheels. And this is just a basic pH balanced all over car cleaner. So it says at 3 ounces of this, it'll make 5 gallons. And this is a 1 to 3 combination that we'll put in our spray bottle. So let's take a look at the car real quick, and I'm gonna show you guys just what we're dealing with. So the car's been here in the shop for the past, what, 2 months? That build was only like 2 months, right? What? The build was only like 2 months, right?
Yeah, like on the weekends and like after work and stuff.
Yeah. Because I saw a video the other day of me unboxing that turbo, and that was in January.
Yeah.
January 22nd. It wasn't that long. It's been sitting up here. It's got a lot of grease and a lot of grime on it. The wheels are nasty. There's a lot of brake dust on it. But everything's just really dirty. The white looks really good on camera right now, but it's real nasty. You can see all this buildup, and this is just honestly from being in the shop. It wasn't that dirty. I think the last time we washed it was at the paint spray before the car. I want to go ahead and try and clay bar it, especially down at the bottom. It kind of looks kind of yellow and nasty. I got a sweet clay bar from, I think it was Turtle Wax, maybe not, I don't remember. But I can completely wash it, and then use the sweet tires and wheel cleaner that I have, and then use a clay bar and see what happens. So let's get to it. I have 2 buckets here. One that we're gonna use for clean, one that we're gonna use for dirty water. I'm gonna fill them both up and add 3 ounces of our AC cleaner. And if you guys like any of the stuff that I'm showing you, you can go over to their website. I'll link it in the description, and use code MedicMagic, and you'll get, I think it's like 15% off. It's some kind of sweet discount. I'll look it up and let you guys know though. And they gave me a sweet squeeze bottle, squirt bottle.
Where is Teddy?
I don't know. I don't think we're friends. I don't think we're friends anymore. All right, there we go. That's nice and swanky. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and add our 3 ounces of this stuff. Let's do a little test here.
Hey, Russ.
Oh, it smells like cherry. Yeah.
Not to interrupt your little, don't pull that in there yet.
Why?
Don't do that.
We have this little shooter here that tells us just how much we need to add. That's 2 ounces there. And we'll get 1 more ounce here. Just about there. All right, there we go. Yeah. Like I said, this thing smells really good. Nice consistency. Like a supplier, like if you were like owned a car shop, like a little used car lot or something,
yeah,
and you wanted your own product, they'd make it and send it to you. But Pat said he was getting into trying to sell retail. So
now, can you actually get like a MedicMagic formulation?
Dude, what if we had a MedicMagic formula? I'm gonna have to talk to him and see.
You know, our scent is like tire smoke and like with a hint
catless exhaust is the scent.
With just a hint of clutch. Tell you what, look at that, man. seriously, like, look at that foam.
Yeah.
That's some thick stuff.
Honestly, like, people get like real butthurt, and I get butthurt too about like if you wash your car and there's no foam, there's no suds.
Oh yeah.
It like if
it
you
just
use,
washes right off.
If you use like regular stuff, like you get it like Walmart or whatever, there's no foam. Like there's no suds. And like suds are what like lets you know you're getting car clean. Like you can even see how dirty it is.
Yeah. Like you can just see how dirty the suds are.
Yeah, yeah. That's just big stuff. Like I'm not even trying to pump this there. I mean, it's actually is really nice.
That is really foamy. That's nice. And it's not even like foam cannon foam. It's like thick, like foam party foam.
Party foam, yeah. Which I'm sure somebody's gonna get triggered somewhere and say I'm doing something wrong.
Oh yeah.
Like look how dirty that is.
We should make some MedicMagic buckets. Some vinyl.
I made MedicMagic spray paint, which we're gonna have to mix up that real sweet tire and wheel cleaner.
Yeah, I actually got some, we have some brushes here that we can use on the tires. And then I have a foam sponge just for the wheels. Oh, you know what? Actually, I have a wheel brush I never even used.
We've ever hand washed this thing.
Probably not.
I honestly don't think I ever have.
No, you bought it and then completely tore it apart and put a turbo on. Store it up here and put a turb ski on it.
You realize how small the car this is when you wash it, and it only takes like 5 minutes.
Now, what are you using now? Is this like a pre-soap or is this like a...
This is a general purpose, all around good cleaner. This is just like your basic car wash.
Now, what's the other stuff you have? The yellow.
That over there is called white wall cleaner. I guess it's supposed to be really good for your tires and your rims.
Yeah. Now, do you have to have white walls for that?
Yeah, that's a common misconception, he said. So I guess back in the day when they had white walls.
Yeah. So, I mean, I got some white walls over there on the truck and the bike.
What he actually said was it was meant to get the blue off your white walls. The blue, or whatever you call it.
Look at all the blue on my white walls over there.
Get this front all sudsy.
Yeah.
We'll take a picture, I'll hold that, and like you can get it real sweet with a fisheye.
Yeah.
And I'll put it on my Instagram.
Sweet. I'm gonna stop her.
Alright, so part 2 of this video is we're gonna be using the white wall cleaner from Car Clean Systems. Basically, actually let me read you from the paper what this is used for. What I was told by the guys down there was that it was originally made, which these guys have been in service for over 50 years. That to get the blue stuff off your white, like this thing over here, back like in the 50s, to get all that blue stuff off, but it's a general purpose cleaner now. Let me actually read what it is, just to give you guys a real quick description. White wall tire cleaner, 1 to 3 exterior, 1 to 6 interior. This product is designed to restore tires back to black. Spray on a dirty tire and let the product sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Scrub the tire with a tire brush to loosen heavy dirt and rinse. This can be used on wheels and the interior. This does not act as a degreaser. It will not dry out rubber or plastics.
So we're putting that in a spray bottle.
Yeah, we're gonna put this in this nice MedicMagic spray bottle, which you guys cannot get those on their website, unfortunately. We are coming up on 3,000 subscribers. It's probably gonna be here within the next day or two. I mean, already up to like, I think like 2960 something. So, probably gonna do a giveaway. If you guys have any ideas for a giveaway, drop me a comment and let me know. What's that smell like?
It smells just like a general purpose cleaner.
Really?
It's almost like a simple green.
Let me get a whiff. Oh yeah, simple green.
Like a simple green?
Wow, nice.
Seven.
Nice. Now do you shake that?
Perfect.
You need like a little beaker.
Looks like Mountain Dew.
Don't drink that.
Literally, we got to put a Mr. Yuck stick.
Yeah, man, this looks nuts. I'm just so pumped for the future. Future!
I think we just made Mountain Dew.
Mountain Barrel Skeet. Alright, let's spray this on and see how it goes. All right, now it says spray this on and leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Nice generous coat.
You're getting pretty generous with that.
Look at that. Taking the brake dust right off. It smells really good, actually. Which they said they were doing scented windshield wiper.
Really?
Which scented stuff's like getting real big. Like I was saying, like I saw around Halloween time, they had pumpkin spice, which I would have definitely bought that. I love pumpkin spice. Everything.
Duly noted.
You know why these are green? Because they're filled with Mountain Dew. Bartle Skeet. As my boy Cletus would say. I love Cletus.
Down to earth guy.
He's a down to earth guy. You know, if I lived down where he lives, I'd be friends with him.
Just going out and making big power.
Seems like a pretty cool guy. Doesn't clickbait people.
Making dreams come true.
He's not like fucking Teddy Westside. Okay, there's that out.
Yeah.
Hit this up real quick.
What do you got here?
Tire brush.
Oh, nice.
We should just put Swanky stickers like on everything.
I mean, I don't know why you don't. You got a sticker machine.
I think I'm just gonna be a detail guy now, you know?
I'll tell you what, that brush looks sweet. I didn't even use it.
I mean, this looks like it's working very well.
Yeah, it does.
Given it's hard to reach spots.
Yeah.
Yes.
Probably take that in the bathtub with you.
Get behind your ears real nice.
This looks amazing on camera.
You were so cheesed off.
Oh, it looks way better than, like, just the car looks real sweet.
Yeah, sweet.
Sweet. Now this is gonna be magical. This is where you need to like hit some slow-mo of it. Man, that came really clean. Hey!
Ross,
Get to bed.
just how good that looks. This whole car just looks really good. Like I'm usually not a huge chrome fan, but with like the white, it just looks really, really good.
Yeah, you don't have any chrome on this car.
You know what I mean, guy? The wheels look.
Hey, easy. This is a family
The
channel.
wheels look chrome. Like they're silver, chrome, silver, whatever. You know?
There's a big difference. You're gonna get a lot of hate
Yeah, I don't really care.
for saying chrome.
I hope they do hate. Give me the hate. Give me all the hate.
You're probably gonna get some.
Heat it up, Sam.
Probably gonna get all of it, actually. So we took a little break here. What'd you end up doing here?
Ended up doing some clay bar action with our mother's clay bar and our mother's spray waxer. And this, dude, like if you run your hand across this once it dries,
That looks really smooth.
it's like there's no.
Imperfections, no debris.
But like I just said, when you get up in it, I saw guys testing everything with lights. Like
Yeah.
you take a light and shine it on it, you could see all like the reflections. And then versus like once they went by and did like a rubbing compound. Yeah, see how you get those circles? Can you see what I'm saying though?
Yeah, you can't probably really see it on camera, but... So what's the game plan next? You're just gonna tackle this fender tonight then?
Yeah, we should use that sweet new tool and see if we can put a little rubbing compound on and then polish them.
Let's do it.
Guy goes and gets a freaking air polisher.
Are you qualified to...
Thinks he's a detailer.
Have you
There's gonna
gone?
be so many people triggered over what we're about to do.
Oh.
He'll be like, oh, you're gonna ruin this S2000. He needs a new paint job anyways.
Yeah, it looks pretty good to me. I mean, doesn't need one now until you get crazy with that.
Nice. I don't know, is that great?
I don't know. I've never... You have it on low?
But it makes me nervous.
It should. So like putting a bunch of swirl marks in it?
Yeah, probably. But what this is like the rubbing is like a starter that's, I guess it cuts it more, gets into it more, and then the polishing gets, brings it smoother, so.
Oh.
I don't know. That's why I said I wanted to put a little square on here.
Yeah, that's a horrible idea though.
I mean, we're not doing anything crazy, like pushing real hard.
Did you put the polish, did you wipe that off and put the polishing stuff on?
No, you're supposed to do this a little bit more with that. And then we'll put the polishing stuff on with the other one.
Okay. It's getting everywhere.
Yeah.
It's all over your tire. It's all over your pants.
I know. Well, the more you have on it, the better. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video. Again, shout out to Car Clean Systems for sending me that stuff. I'm gonna be doing some more detailing on the car, getting into that. I wanna do some more rubbing compound and polishing, color correction, clay barring, all that kind of stuff. It's actually super relaxing, making more videos like that. If you guys wanna see more of that stuff, let me know, drop in the comments. Trying to keep the content fresh and coming. And I wanna do a giveaway for 3,000 subscribers. So if you guys have any ideas of what you want or what you'd like to see, I'm gonna do something pretty sweet. So yeah, drop me a comment on that. Anyways guys, give me a thumbs up, thumbs down, drop me a comment, let me know what you're thinking, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Oh, that is sweet.
That's probably the new year edition.
Oops. Oh, I'm getting an 18 tomorrow.
Is that a promise?
That would be pretty
Are
funny.
you making promises on the channel?
Yeah.
Pretty fun in the
I hit
Yeah.
2,000 subs, I get a pound of Grom.
Yeah, I'm getting a Grom tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly.
I gotta have
twist
the newest.
off Thursday.